Perfect. Just 5 minutes in the air fryer. The reason why I eat asparagus every single day, it's a natural diuretic. It de-bloats you. It's great. I eat it once a day, at least with one meal a day. Now, asparagus has a natural break. Where it breaks, that's usually where you want to cut it off. And you can just break one like that, line it up, and then cut it. Make sure you wash them, and you're good to go. The best way to eat them, to me, is roasted. I'll show you how to roast them. So once you've washed them, you can wash them in baking soda or vinegar. Not both, because once you use both, it cancels one another out, and that's pointless, and you're just wasting your time and your vinegar and baking soda. So dry them well after you've washed them. And then I'm going to drizzle olive oil on them on this cotton board because I'm putting them in the air fryer. But if I was putting them in the oven, I would lay them on a baking sheet with parchment paper and season them however you want to season them. I'm just going to season them with salt and pepper because I don't feel like doing the most today. And yeah, that's why. What I got? I need more salt. Pepper. And then just gonna roll them around, coat them generously, and then we're gonna stick them in the air fryer on 375 for 5 minutes. So we're gonna do 375. 375. 5 minutes. It's done. It's so done. Voila. That's all. Some crushed red pepper. I mean, you could omit it, but I like it, so. Perfect. Just 5 minutes in the air fryer. If you keep them cut and washed in your refrigerator, meal prep is a little easier. Okay, hope this helped.